Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Raihan dari Robotika semester 7. Pada pelajaran control system, di sini I can show my presentation about finite state machine and behavior tree. First, finite state machine. Second, behavior tree. Finite state machine. Finite state machine (FSM) or finite state automation (FSA). Finite automaton, or simply a state machine, is a mathematical model of computation. It is an abstract machine that can be in exactly one of a finite number of states at any given time. The FSM can change from one state to another in response to some input. The change from one state to another is called a transition, and FSM is defined by a list of its states, its initial state, and the input that trigger each transition. Automata theory is the study of abstract machine and automata as well as the computational problem that can be solved using them. It is a theory in theoretical computer science. The word automata comes from the Greek word, which means self-acting, self-violent, self-moving, and finite state machine subbidang dari procedural automation ya. Finite state machine are two types. First, deterministic finite state machine, and second, non-deterministic finite state machine. Deterministic finite state machine can be constructed equivalent to any deterministic one. The behavior of state machine can be observed in many devices in modern society that perform a predetermined sequence of action depending on a sequence of events with which they are presented. Simple example are vending machine, which dispense product when the proper combination of coin is deposited. Elevator, whose sequence of stop is determined by the floor requested by riders. Traffic light, which change sequence when cars are waiting. And combination lock, which require the input of a sequence of number in the proper order. Example coin operated turnstile. An example of a sample mechanism that can be modeled by a state machine is a turnstile. A turnstile used to control access to subways, can amusement park rides, is a gate with 3 rotating arms at waist height, one across the entryway. This picture a state diagram for a turnstile. Considered as a state machine, that turnstile has two possible states, locked and unlocked. There are two possible input that affect its state: putting a coin in the slot and pushing the arm in the locked state. Pushing when the arms has no effect no matter how many times the input push is given, it stays in the locked state. Putting a coin in that is giving the machine a coin input, shift the state from locked to unlocked. In the unlocked state, putting additional coin in has no effect. That is giving additional coin input that does not change the state. However, a customer pushing the arms, giving a push input, shift the state back to locked. Second, behavior tree. Behavior tree is a mathematical model of plan execution used in computer science, robotic, control system, and video games. This picture behavior tree modeling the search and grab plan of two armed robot. Behavior tree presents some similarities to hierarchical state machine, with the key difference that the main building block of behavior is a task rather than a state. It is of human understanding make behavior tree less error prone and very popular in the game developer community. Behavior tree have been shown to generalize several other control architecture. Mathematically, they are directed as like a graph. Background: behavior tree original from the computer game industry as a powerful tool to model the behavior of non-player character or NPC. They have been extensively used in high-profile video games such as Halo, Bioshock, and Spore. A concept: behavior tree is graphically represented as a directed tree in which the nodes are classified as root, control flow nodes, or execution nodes, or tasks for each pair of connected nodes. In the outgoing node is called parent and the incoming node is called child. Control flow net. A control flow net is used to control the subtasks of which it is composite. A control flow net may be either a selector, fallback node, or a sequence node. Selector, fallback node. Fallback node are used to find and execute the first child that does not fail. A fallback node will return immediately with a status code of success or running when one of its children returns success or running. And see the figure 1 and the pseudocode below. This picture graphic representation of fallback composition of n tasks. Sequence node are used to find and execute the first child that has not yet succeeded. A sequence node will return immediately with a status code of failure or running when one of its children return failure or running. And see figure 2 and the code below. This a graphic representation of sequence computation of n tasks. Mathematical stats as definition. In order to apply control theory tools to the analysis of behavior tree, they can be defined as three tuples. And not a task is a degenerate behavior tree with no parent and no child. Behavior tree execution. The execution of a behavior tree is described by the following standard ordinary difference equation from the picture. Sequence composition. The behavior tree Ti and Tj can be composed into a more complex behavior tree T0 using a sequence operator. Thank you for me about behavior tree and finite state machine. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.